If your steering wheel starts shaking when you're driving at high speeds, usually above 70 kilometers per hour, then it might be more than just a tire issue. A lot of people quickly assume it's wheel balancing or maybe a bad alignment. But what many don't realize is that the real problem might be hiding deeper, inside your steering system. Specifically, the inner tie rod, a component of the steering rack assembly, could be the culprit. Now, here's how you know it's likely the inner tie rod. You start noticing vibrations in the steering wheel once you hit highway speeds. It feels fine in the city, but the moment you accelerate on an open road, the wheel starts to tremble. You might also feel like your car is just a little unstable, like it's drifting or loose when you're changing lanes. Add to that some knocking or clunking sounds when you're turning at low speeds, and you've got another big clue. And if you've done a wheel alignment, changed tires, yet you keep noticing uneven tire wear, well, chances are the inner tie rod is worn and causing all of that instability. So how do you check it? It's pretty simple. First, get the front of the car lifted safely and secure it. Then go to the front wheel and grab it from the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position, side to side. Try to shake it gently. If you feel movement and the outer tie rod looks solid, then it's very likely the play is coming from the inner tie rod. You can also slide the rubber boot off the steering rack and feel the inner tie rod directly. If there's any play or wiggle, it's worn and needs replacement. So how do you fix it? You'll need to remove the outer tie rod, take off the boot on the steering rack, and then use a special inner tie rod tool to unscrew the worn one. Thread in the new one, tighten it properly, don't forget to use thread locker, put the boot and outer tie rod back, and that's it. But don't forget, after any tie rod work, you must get a professional wheel alignment. Otherwise, you'll end up with even worse tire wear and handling. So the next time your steering wheel shakes on the highway, look beyond the tires. Check your inner tie rods. Catching this early can keep you safe and save you money down the line. And if this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car tips and troubleshooting guides.